Singapore train. Let's see, is it gonna come? You will see it from here. The one that I find it. Let's wait until. I think it takes a lot of minutes. Let's just wait. Oh, there's a BMW. I played there. There's a yellow BMW. You cannot see its camera's a bit blurry. Let's wait until the train comes, but it will take a lot of time. Is it coming? Is it coming? You cannot see properly. The camera is blurry. I should wipe it. Okay. Still blurry. What can I do for that? You will see the train. Just wait. It will take in a minute. Is it coming? I think did I hear a noise? I think did I hear a noise there? That's good. Why is still not coming? I think we should wait. It's taking so long. That's why the trains take so a lot of minutes. Why is it taking so long? Did I see it from here? It's coming. The new one, the new line. This train's a green line. Here, the new train, the newest one, the new one. Okay, we found it. The train line is the green line. The new model, the new one. Yeah, the new train. No, the new model. That train. It's coming. Did you see it? But it's disappeared now. The train was a bit short. Not short, faster. That's why. Okay, so that's all. Bye bye. Subscribe if you see it.